Hey, what's up, folks? I just want to do a quick overview of the mortgage calculator on smartsavingsLab.com. So you navigate to smartsavingsLab.com in your browser. You go to calculators in the menu at the top, mortgage, and then mortgage calculator. And then here you're presented with the main input form for the mortgage calculator. As you can see, everything is blank right now. So we're going to go ahead and fill in some details. Right, so in this example, the home price we're going to set to $350,000. For down payment, we're going to say 20%. And notice how the corresponding dollar values automatically populates once you enter the percentage. And vice versa. If you were to enter the down payment in dollars, the corresponding percentage would automatically populate. We're going to leave the loan term at 30-year fixed. For the interest rate, in this example where I am at this point in 2023, interest rates are hovering between 7 and 7.5%. So I'm going to say 7.25% in this example. For property taxes, I'm going to say, let's say $240. For PMI, in this example, it's going to be $0 since we're putting down at least 20%. For HOA, let's say $150. And then for homeowners insurance, let's say $110. We hit calculate, and then here you're presented with the total monthly payment overview, which shows the totals for each of the various expenses as well as the total monthly payment. You're also presented with a pie chart, and you can hover over each slice of the pie chart to see the totals for each category. Then if you scroll down, there's some additional information and a summary kind of each of the various input form sections, but you can skip to your personalized amortization schedule, which pretty much shows how your balance decreases over time. So, starting with the first month all the way until, you pay off and pay down the mortgage. And you can right click and export or print this page, to save, your specific calculations. You can also hover over each of the various input form fields question mark, and it kind of gives you additional information about each of the input form fields. So yeah, that's pretty much a quick overview of the mortgage calculator. You can play around with it, play around with the numbers, and yeah, hopefully you find this calculator useful. Thank you.